pleasant morning to everyone. On behalf of PLDT Enterprise, it is my pleasure to be joining you again for today's session as we discuss the economic development and future of North Luzon amidst the pandemic. For more than a year now, we all had seen the effect and impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Strict lockdowns were enforced and reinforced, particularly in mid-March this year when we had another surge in pandemic cases. This certainly caused uncertainties in both businesses and consumers, even in North Luzon and Central Luzon regions. The Philippine economy suffered a deep recession mid of last year, but it slowly bounced back in Q3 and Q4. Although economic activity had improved during the second half of 2020, the increasing pandemic cases in March and April 2021 has dampened near-term recovery plans. Temporary closure of businesses in North Luzon was high, particularly in Ilocos, Cagayan, Pampanga, and in Cordillera region, particularly in Baguio. Highest closure rates were in tourism and food services, construction, recreation, and in education. Amidst this continued pandemic, businesses and development in Clark and its neighboring cities and provinces will continue to grow. The tourism and hospitality market inside Clark is expected to pick up as various firms and facilities here continued its operations. The Philippines' logistics and warehousing and even the manufacturing market will remain robust through and beyond this pandemic. The Philippine Economic Zone Authority said that there is a proposal to develop the first Bulacan Business Park in Malolos Town, which will be the country's first medical research and development and pharmaceutical park, envisioned to be a premier eco-zone that would house medical R&D through a partnership with the academe and research institutions, as well as the manufacturer of innovative over-the-counter and generic drug products, medical equipment, and pharmaceutical cold chain. The local merchants and micro SMEs in this region took advantage of PLDT and Smart's robust internet network through its online selling activities and online payment. The growth of our economy is driven by micro SMEs, and these businesses create millions of job opportunities. To support this business growth, PLDT Enterprise has launched its new offering named Beyond Fiber. It's an all-in-one digital solution that will enable businesses at any size with curated digital tools and Wi-Fi fit for the enterprise, all anchored on business-grade fiber.
Nandoon ka at my lowest. Nung isa-isa na wala mga customers ko. Nung akala ko, pasara na shop ko. You gave me hope when all seemed dark and when I was lost. You encouraged me to look beyond, to go beyond, to focus on my family, friends, and blessings despite it all. Lahat yun, naitawid ko. Kasi nandyan ka sa tabi ko, nagpapaalala na kaya ko. So ngayon dahil sa'yo, mas matapang na ako to face any challenge. And now I realize what matters most. So thank you. Thank you for being there for me through everything. Nagbago man ang mundo, alam ko, kaya ko na harapin ang araw-araw na walang takot. Kasi you're just right by my side. And I can always count on you. Kaya salamat, ikaw talaga ang BFF ko.
On PLDT Group's side, we've completed our fiberization program in the entire Clark Freeport zone last year. Clark is also a 5G ready city. After building our Vitro Clark data center years ago, which is the largest data center facility outside Metro Manila, our Vitro disaster recovery facility is now operational and ready to serve the DR needs of enterprise customers. This is the first purposely built DR facility in Central Luzon, and it has 2,300 plus seat capacity. For the new Clark City in Tarlac, the PLDT Group has continued the discussion with BCDA for its development as a premier smart and safe city that will support both private businesses and the national government. To date, New Clark City is equipped with high-speed internet infrastructure and is 5G ready as well. It is supported by a resilient and a redundant PLDT fiber optic network. With all of this progress and development in Clark and in North Luzon region, PLDT Smart will continue to play a vital role in maintaining and sustaining a very fast, reliable, and secure connectivity. Aside from owning and maintaining 4 submarine cable systems and landing stations in the country, we also operate in 10 other cable systems, thus expanding our existing bandwidth capacity of 10 terabytes per second. Starting this year, up to 2023, we will be firing up new submarine cable system every year, which will increase our bandwidth capacity by additional 10 terabytes per second. This is aside from our yearly expansion of our PLDT fiber network and smart network inside the country. We are on target for our transport network transformation project, which aims to implement a more agile, more scalable, automated, and simpler IP-centric network to deliver the best customer experience, improve existing services, and future-proof for 5G services and applications. Our 5G rollout in North Luzon is also unprecedented, firing up 5G towers in Benguet, Bulacan, Isabela, La Union, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, Tarlac, Zambales, Pampanga, and Bulacan. All other provinces are also lined up this year. In closing, we in PLDT Group believe that network services is a key backbone of our economy. We at PLDT Enterprise continue to strive to make a positive impact on every business. This clearly shows the unbreakable and resilience in us. Thank you and stay safe.